On today's video, learn how you can sew your reversible strap into your reversible top or swimsuit. But if you are looking for an option for how to sew the straps on non-reversibles, you also have a video available, so just search the link down below. I already have on my table the gray top sewed as a reversible. So the white is my main fabric and I applied elastic on that side. I also have my thin strap ready and I'm going to insert the strap into the hole that my pattern after sewn has available. Now the trick here is for you to fit the exact same measurement that you need for the pattern and also for the width of your strap. We also have a YouTube tutorial on how to do that if you need any help. Now what we need to do is to sew the strap in place. So we will first sew a diagonal and then a straight stitch from one edge to the other, crossing the strap, and then another diagonal again. So I will start by doing with a pencil the line that I will be sewing on my straight stitch machine. The first line that I've drawn is the one that is perpendicular to my strap. But then I'm going to draw two diagonals, securing the threads from my overlock to make sure that they do not unfold once I do the final step of my perfect straps. So let's go ahead and sew these straps on our straight stitch machine, of course using a back stitch in the beginning and a back stitch on the end. Turn your fabric when you are on the machine with your needle down so that the fabric doesn't move. So we are sewing first diagonal, then across the strap and then diagonal again. Before moving to our table, let's check the result on both sides of the fabric. And okay, it's perfect. We have sewn the diagonal, across the strap and diagonal again, and we are ready to cut. Last step, but very important, trim the excess fabric and also trim sharp edges of your elastic if you have them. And don't forget not to cut the lines that we have just sewn, and that's it. You are ready to reverse the pattern to the right side, the swimsuit or bikini top, and reveal the final smooth result that you have achieved. You can find the same method for non-reversibles on our channel, and if you have suggestions for next video, don't forget to comment down below.